but I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzying day.
She said her forehead is too cold.
The way.
Oh my god, you're crazy! Yay, we're coming home from the traditional market with chips and bento!
Duck.
Woohoo! It looks so good. I'm so ready for. No, I'm actually not ready for food because we ate a lot and you look cute.
Call me a Watto.
Doesn't her glasses make her look like Waldo?
No.
I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark.
Okay. Hey guys, so we're gonna do a Taiwanese 7-Eleven taste test. So we bought like 4 kinds of chips, and then we're just gonna taste test them with you. I'm just gonna tell you what flavor's there because I can't read Chinese.
This is called 可乐果. It's garlic flavor.
Garlic flavor. We literally could eat fried garlic by the spoonful.
She only got a beer right now.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh, can you get my milk tea too?
Oh, you didn't finish. Wait, do you want your beer or your milk tea?
Both.
Okay, first off, we're gonna try these beers. Mine is the Isul Tuk Tuk. This is from Korea. I wanted to try it for the longest time.
What is the Japanese Suntory?
Woohoo! It's grape flavored, hers.
It's 3%. Watch me get buzz.
Seriously, she can get buzzed off one beer. We're going to like a friend's party later, and we thought we would drink beer while we're getting ready. Oh. This one's stronger than the Japanese one.
You dropped
Oh my
it.
god.
I'm not drunk yet.
Oh, it tastes like grape soda.
No, I like the Japanese ones better.
Yeah, the
These ones
Japanese
are
one's
what?
really good.
Thank you.
The Isul Tuk Tuk, you can still like taste the alcohol because she got us a peach flavored Japanese beer yesterday, and it was really good. Like, it tastes exactly like peach.
Okay, let's try this. I tried it before, so I'm just gonna eat it.
I'll try one. Okay. It's like a twirly.
Not good? It's supposed to be.
I like it because it's crunchy.
All the chips are crunchy.
No, like this one's like harder crunchy. Oh, I can taste the garlic now. Oh, this is good.
It's good with alcohol, right?
Oh, this is really nice.
Stop.
I'm hungry, so I could eat a whole bag of this right now.
No, let's try the other 3. So, number 1.
Okay. Next is Doritos.
Doritos, what is...
Yeah, but it's a special Taiwanese flavor.
It says New York spicy chicken, so hot wings, and it's 3D. It's like Dorito,
Whoa.
but 3D.
It's puffed up.
I never tried before. Interesting.
It just tastes like Doritos.
It's not that special.
I
This
can't-
is 3D.
I like the texture better, but it just tastes like Doritos.
It's not bad.
It just tastes like the regular Doritos that we have in America.
It's not bad though. It's just I thought it would be more special.
Number 3.
Okay, so this is the squid thing that that Korean people drink with. What's that called?
새우
You know the
something.
the shrimp one, but in Taiwan people usually eat this. Oh, I'm having trouble.
Oh, snaps. Oh my god! It looks like a squid! Like when you boil it.
It's really good. Try
Whoa, cheers. Fuck you.
it. I like it.
Oh, it's like milder than this Korean one.
I guess.
It's good though.
I thought I was giving myself a ring. If no one else
If you
gives
like
to
it,
me.
if you like it, then you
Put a
gotta put a
ring.
ring on it. That's good.
Fourth try, last try for the day.
Woo!
Deep rigid. Look at it.
Okay, so her friend told her that it's really good, right?
Mhm.
Someone told her that these are really good.
This
So
is
yeah,
spicy chicken too.
and then they also had a crab flavor. But we went for the chicken. We got this. Oh, it smells like really strong. Wait, let's try it together. Cheers! I like the texture. It tastes like Pringles, but in potato chip form.
I like Pringles better.
I don't know. Honestly, I can't really tell.
So which one's your favorite?
I like this one.
We should get Lonely God next time.
Yeah.
Next video. Lonely God.
This one's really good. I recommend this one if you guys come to Taiwan.
They have it in America too.
Yeah. And then I also recommend these Japanese land beers. They're so good.
They
They're
have grape. Do they have strawberry?
yeah,
Grape,
they're
strawberry, and peach.
yeah. And then the Isori Tokto it's okay. It's pretty good. Like it's better than other beers. But then again, it's only 3% alcohol.
Oh, you should try Taiwanese beer.
It's famous, right?
Well, in Taiwan, Taiwanese beer.
Okay. Okay, so we'll see you when we're done getting ready and gonna go meet our friend. Or when we're gonna go pick up her money finally.
Finally,
and Sophia can finally
God, for
sleep.
the past 2 days.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. So what happened is I brought a GoPro for her friend, her elementary classmate.
I paid for it with my card first.
Yeah, and then we went to give it to him, and we thought he was gonna give her the money, like when we gave the camera to him.
Yeah, but then he started talking to me. He's like, "Oh, what are you gonna do for countdown? We're gonna watch fireworks. Do you want to
Distracted
join?"
her.
And I was like, "Oh, you're inviting us, but we're not sure if we're gonna go." And he was like, "Well, we're gonna be watching fireworks at the same place anyway, so I'll see you then. I'll give you the money then, because I don't have money on me right now."
Yeah. And she didn't realize that something was weird until we got on the metro, and I was like, wait, why didn't he give me the money right now?
And then there was an ATM right next to the metro.
Like in all the metro stations in Taiwan, there's like usually an ATM, so it's like really weird. So he just had random excuses. But anyway, she's finally gonna get her money today.
Hopefully.
Otherwise, we're gonna go beat him up.
Sorry.
Okay, see you later. Hey, Soph. Hey, Soph.
Yeah.
Are you getting ready for a party or a snowstorm?
I'm getting ready for the
Look, literally, if I only show you on the top part on the camera, it looks like you're going skiing, and then you go down, and it's like, oh, what the? She's going to a party.
fireworks and then party. Stay warm. Fireworks. And then party.
Show me an example. How are you gonna enter the party?
Wait, hold on. This is kind of not smooth. Maybe I should go
Woo!
That's party. Yeah.
Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me?
Hi guys! We're walking towards the metro station to get her money back finally. Woo. Yeah, we're actually gonna come back home and like right after and pack our stuff and then go meet our friend. Woo. You better show up. I'm literally gonna smack his ass.
Oh, I feel like you will.
Okay. Report back to you later. But anyways, yeah, she got her money back. Now she can finally sleep again. This girl hasn't been able to sleep for the past 2 nights.
So sad. I never knew I loved money this much.
No. Yeah, but we're both ready now. We're just waiting for our friend to come back from her cousin's place down in the countryside. So she said she's gonna contact us when she gets here.
Yay.
My stomach hurts.
Oh, here the ocean is near, where you dug a hole and buried my fear. And we scattered like trees, sometimes in life.
Oh my god!